all about turkeys. Turkeys are the largest birds found on farms. They usually have over 5,000 feathers on their bodies. A wild turkey can run about 20 miles an hour and can fly up to 55 miles an hour for a short time. Turkeys have great hearing but no ears. They can also see really well during the day. They can't smell well. Turkeys make about 20 different sounds. The most common sound is the gobble, which can be heard about a mile away. The skin on a turkey's head can change colors. When a turkey is excited, it will turn red. When it is mad, it will turn blue. In America, turkey meat is traditionally served on holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. And that is it for all about turkeys.